In this video, we're talking about Virgos, and in the land of horoscopes, who would be the best sexual match for them? That's coming right up. What is up, guys? If you haven't met before, my name is Johann, and on this channel you'll find some helpful product reviews to improve your self-care, as well as tips and strategy videos just like this one. So if you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell before we take a land somewhere that I don't know. When paired with Aries, this pair is a recipe for disaster. Virgo needs time and patience. Aries ain't having that. When paired with Tauruses, Virgos can be very detailed, especially closed up. Taurus's ability to loosen them up and enter the world of sexual wonders is one of their main key components. When paired with Gemini, even though they have respect in the relationship, when it comes to sex, it may not go so well when it comes to both sides of the partner pair. Not to mention, they both need verbal communication and stimulation. When paired with Cancer, this is the best pair when it comes to sexual emotions. And we all know what happens when you have sexual emotions in sex. Pow! Powerful, magical, impactful, nice, orgasmic. When paired with Leo, their love languages is very difficult for them to even have any type of compatibility. Even if they do try to express themselves, it may not go very well. When paired with another Virgo, they say two Virgos do not understand themselves when it comes to sex. I guess it's true. The emotion behind the act is just the thing that is missing. Not to mention too that they'll be quick to compare each other's flaws, and that will be very detrimental when it comes to sex. When paired with Libra, you want to waste your time? This is it. You want to waste it? This is it. Otherwise, next. When paired with Scorpio, this pair is very interesting because these two have a very high emotional sex drive. I like to think of it as like 50 Shades of Grey. Scorpio likes things rough and Virgo just accepts it. When paired with Sagittarius, this pair is pretty fun because Virgos aren't the types to actually take out sexual risks. And Sagittarius are very passionate about the things that they do. Virgos might feel very pressured to do things that they don't want to do. When paired with Capricorn, if this pair wasn't so friggin' strict, then it would be fun. But if you understand each other's needs, it can work out. When paired with Aquarius, hey. You want another pair to flop with? This is it. Choose this one. When paired with Pisces, this is the best pair when it comes to Virgos. I was gonna call them something else by accident. Vaginas? Virgos can be very shy, but Pisces know what to do in order to get past that. It may not be mind-blowing sex, but the passion is there, and sex without passion is flop. I've made a whole playlist when it comes to horoscopes. You can definitely check it out. Link is in the description. Give it a look. You might find something interesting, or you may not, who knows, but you might as well give it a shot anyways, because you're here now. If you're watching this at this moment, click the little playlist link. You might find a little something to be like, oh my god, I didn't know that. Or be like, yo, this guy is just talking and rambling. Can you end the video already? You're right, I'm gonna do that right now. Sorry.